Heavy rain is going to be the name of the game as we go into Monday, June the 8th. Hey there, friends. I'm meteorologist Shane Smith. It is late on Sunday, June the 7th, 2026. Hope you're doing okay. And as you can see above, there's a lot of rain potentially heading our way, especially for Western Kentucky on Monday. Let's go to the current radar and temperatures, and you can see what's going on across the Commonwealth. And right now, most of the rain action is confined off into portions of Western Kentucky. Not too heavy right now, but it will pick up in intensity as we go throughout your Monday. And in fact, a good chunk of the state under a slight risk of excessive rainfall for your Monday. And check out the official rain forecast from the Weather Prediction Center. They're showing more than 2 to 2.5 inches of rain across portions of Western Kentucky. Some of the models even going a lot higher than that. And that could lead to some big problems with localized flooding in Western Kentucky. Here's the deal. We've got a frontal system lifting north. Warmer and more humid air is moving into the bluegrass. Now, as that front stalls out on top of us, you are going to see several rounds of rain hit the same area over and over and over again. It's a very typical summer heavy rain kind of setup that looks like it's heading towards Western Kentucky. Let's break it down hour by hour for you using the HRRR model. We're going to start off at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Notice a few heavy thunderstorms out near Hopkinsville, Madisonville, and Murray. By 9 a.m. Eastern, they're becoming more numerous. And just look how the same area gets hit over and over. And anytime you see those pinks showing up, like tomorrow at 5 o'clock, that's indicative of rainfall rates approaching 2 inches per hour. That's some heavy, heavy rain that's going to be firing up with these storms tomorrow in Western Kentucky. And then as we go into Tuesday, guess what? More rain heading our way, although the chances for heavier rain push a little bit further eastward Tuesday evening. So Eastern Kentucky, I think we're going to get in on it more on Tuesday than Monday. Monday is looking mainly Western Kentucky, and you can see a few spots may actually go above 4 inches of rain, 5 inches, close to 6 in Murray if the HRRR model is correct. That is a lot of rain in a short amount of time and could lead to some very significant isolated flooding issues. So we need to keep a close eye on that. Now, the scattered shower chance will continue on Wednesday, although it's not looking as expensive or as expansive. Temperature is going to be heading into the upper 80s. Feels like temperatures will be even higher. We may actually hit 90 on Thursday with a few pop-up storms before a more isolated line rolls in Thursday night into Friday, and that may knock those temperatures down a little bit. But check out some of these feels like temperatures as we go from Wednesday into the end of the week. Yeah, feels like temperatures mid 90s for Wednesday, even higher on Thursday. That is a lot of heat heading our way. And the extended forecast is calling for a big time push of hot air and some more storm chances to go with it. So stay weather aware, friends. I'll have updates as necessary on Monday, and we will kind of keep an eye on those high water threats. Stay tuned.